Every year, thousands of Jeep owners turn to JKS to redefine what a true dual-purpose Jeep can be. Our engineers carefully analyze the scenarios Jeep owners put their vehicles through to develop the J-rated suspension systems, where each system is rated for different styles of off-road use. Our products are engineered not only for trail use, but to get you to and from the trail comfortably. Reliability is a cornerstone of our design process. A lifted Jeep doesn't mean making compromises on ride quality and longevity. Our systems feature innovative products such as the quicker disconnects, dual-rate coil springs, and several Fox shock options. All of this backed by the limited-time warranty, giving JKS customers peace of mind when owning a new lifted Jeep. At JKS, we want you to get out there and explore with confidence, then make it home to explore another day.